In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. If you've ever opened a task and wondered exactly where it sits inside your workspace, breadcrumbs are your built-in roadmap, making navigation quick and reliable. To get started, open any part of your workspace. This could be a list view, a board view, or an individual task. It doesn't matter which one you choose. The breadcrumb bar appears at the top of your screen, so you can always see where you are in the hierarchy. At the top, you'll notice a small path that looks like this: space name, then folder name, then list name, and finally task name. That path is your breadcrumb trail. Think of it as a zoomed-out view of your location. The space is the broad container for related work. Folders help group projects or categories within a space. Lists organize tasks inside a folder. And the last part tells you the specific task or item you're viewing. Now, here's the best part. You can navigate using those breadcrumbs. Click the space name to jump back to all folders in that space. Click the folder name to see all the lists inside that folder. Click the list name to return to all tasks in that list. It's a simple way to move up one level at a time without digging through the sidebar or hitting back multiple times. If you're reviewing a task and want to compare it with others in the same list, just use the list breadcrumb to get there instantly. If you need to switch to a different list in the same folder, the folder breadcrumb is your shortcut. Use breadcrumbs for quick context, too. Make it a habit to glance at them before you make changes or move a task. In large workspaces with similar names, that quick check can prevent editing the wrong item or filing tasks in the wrong place. If the trail looks unfamiliar, it's a good sign to step up a level and confirm you're in the right spot. As you navigate, the trail updates automatically, so you always have a clear sense of direction. Whether you're viewing a board of cards, a detailed list, or a single task, that breadcrumb stays consistent across views. It saves time, reduces clicks, and gives your whole team a shared map of where work lives. And that's how you use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.